my name is Sydney Armstrong and I'm this year's recruitment chair for Chi Omega. Welcome to our home. So this is the composite room. In here you will always find sisters hanging out before Make-A-Wish events, before any events on campus, pep rallies or whatnot. I always love to come in here and get my face painted before pep rallies. It's just a great way to meet sisters and to hang out once you get here in the house. And walking across the foyer, you get in the chapter room where we see Sister Madison. And Madison's gonna tell us a little bit about this room.
Well, this is the chapter room, and you will always find a sweet sister in here to, encourage you and lift your spirits. And I have so many fond memories in here of just big little reveal and waiting for my big to get, drop her banner and show me who she is, and that was so special to me. And then also Make-A-Wish parties, getting to celebrate all those sweet kids and give back to the community. And so now we're gonna go
see our Laura Lee. Hey, Laura Lee.
Hey. Okay, so I'm Laura Lee. I am this chapter's treasurer, and I'm going to tell you about our dining room, which we do a lot more than eat in. We have a bunch of sisterhood events in here where we get to gather together, like our Friendsgiving that we do every year, and we study here a lot. I've spent many a midterm season sitting in this room, and we actually all meet as an exec here every week and get to talk all about our favorite things about Iota Kappa. Okay, so now we're going to go to the quote room to meet Emily.
Hey, I'm Emily. I'm the new member educator for the 2020 school year, and right now you're in our quote room. So the quote room is one of my favorite places in the house because it's super cozy and it has the TV so we can have movie nights in here or anytime you want to just sit and talk with a friend. And it also represents our 6 purposes that are on the wall, as well as our symphony, which we have right here. And it's just a great place to just recenter and be reminded of what our sisterhood is all about.
Do y'all want to go hang out in the back room now?
Yeah!
So this is our back room. It's the first room you enter as you come through the back door. And it's a really good place to meet a sister as you first walk in. And the sign, Chi's the Happy Place, really represents our chapter because I can find anywhere in this house and find a happy sister that'll bring me so much joy. And we can't wait to see what Pledge Class 2020 brings to this happy chapter as well. We're so glad you got to see our home today. We hope that through this recruitment, you'll see how much this chapter means to us and what makes it so special. We can't wait to show you more of what this chapter is about. Bye.